Today we have created a new database that was July batch. Sorry, new workspace. Hey, right now, how many people we have in the session? Only 13 people. Everybody talks about timing, right? But problem with you guys are you already you guys are not punctual. Okay, that is the issue. So let's see who comes late. 13 people are here. Hmm. Okay, not even 13. 12 people are there. Other may be sleeping. Hello.
I'm
So
here, but
what is the agenda? Agenda is you need to connect with database. How to connect with database, you know it. Last session we talked about. Remember, if you want to connect with
Yes.
database, you have to do certain thing, and it will come by the practice. It is not cup of tea. Like if you want to connect with database, first of all, you have to add dependency of MySQL connector. If you remember, hmm?
Mm-hmm.
I think it is there, right? This
Yes.
dependency and this JD, it is there, right?
Mm.
After
Yes.
that, I taught you last time. You can create a data source, and now all that funda I taught you, right?
Mm.
So I'm going to create a data source in that fashion. In last session, we did it in data source. I don't know what was the program that I taught you the on Friday. Joker DB connection. I don't remember. Okay, you need to guide me for that. Yeah. This is understood. Hello.
yes.
If you don't know this, you cannot do anything. I'm telling you right now. This thing I have taught you. This is the configuration file which will create a 2 bean, right?
Mm.
So I'm going to do today also. Same thing. Allow me. I can copy this code, right?
Yes.
How? Copy paste. Control C, and this file I'm copying over here. Is okay.
Mm.
And I'm just changing the package name because package name we have to correct it, right? Hmm. Hello. Done. Like this. It is connect. It is creating data source, and data source you are creating JDBC template. You know this, right? Say yes. You know.
Yes.
You know, right?
Yes.
Now what you can do is just this JDBC template you can auto add. You remember?
Mm.
Hello.
Auto wire into
Right.
controller.
Hmm. Earlier, in the earlier session, you injected this bean into service layer, but here you can inject it. No? Say you are following me. JDBC template, and you can auto add. So what happening? But this will create a data source which will connect to the database, and this will create a JDBC template. And this template you can auto add in this. You know this much, okay?
Mm.
After
Yeah.
it, what you can do? Here you can write your query.
Yeah.
So you need a database, right? And my
Mm.
database name is Cubic Take DB. In Cubic Take DB, I don't know Cubic Take DB where it is. Cubic, yeah, right. In this, you have to make a table. Say yes.
Yeah.
Reply. You have
Yes,
to make
sir.
a table,
Yes.
and table will have login ID, and it is
ID,
right.
username, and password.
Yeah. This is repetition. I'm repeating it again and again. And in this, you'll have username, warcar 100, password,
Okay.
warcar 30 is enough. And in last, you can have a role. Fine. Warcar 30. If you want, you can use name, warcar 100, email, warcar 400, gender, warcar 910. Photo, right? Warcar. Anybody confused? No. But this is table, right? So you can make a table. Table is called user underscore profile table. It's okay.
Yes.
I created a table, right? This table have this information. In this, I can store my username and other details. So in this table, let me add some dummy data. It's okay. My username is Jack. Password is 0. Role is admin. Name is Nagendra. Email ID is nagin@gmail.com. Gender is male. Photo is coming soon. Fine. Hey, I'm adding 2 users, right? Jack. Another user is admin. Password is pass. Role is customer, right? Name is admin. Email ID is admin@gmail.com. You guys confused?
No.
No.
See, okay.
I have a question, like whether it's in the scope of this course or not, because I want to know how can we even cipher, like protect the password in the database, like in the table. Can we do that? Is it in the scope of the course?
Course. Can you come again? What your question is? I don't understand.
I mean to say in the table itself, right? So the password is visible, right? So if I want to make it in like I want to make it like not
Password
visible
in.
to.
Yeah. That is in agenda. Actually, in Spring Framework, there is a password encoder. I will teach you that. I agree.
Okay.
Yeah, agree. Actually, the password should be stored like this. Let me show you. I have other databases, right? You see? Here you cannot see the password. You see?
Okay.
Got it? So it is in agenda.
Oh, okay. So it's in the scope of this course, right?
Yeah, sir. Everything is in. So this is very professional training.
Okay.
It is just starting. Okay. So you need to connect to which database? Oh, I
Cubic
forget
Stack.
it. Cubic. Let me close that. Tick. I'm going to use my database ULE, right? This is my table now. I need to authenticate a user from this, right? So you have to write the code. This is clear to you, everybody? I created this config file. Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, config file. And I am auto wiring over here, right? यहाँ पे. You know this much, right? Now here I can write my query. Allow me. कैसे? String SQL. Tell me select.
Select
What you want to fetch.
username and password.
But you can fetch other columns if you want, or you can fetch all the column. I need your help in that. You want to fetch only one column or all the columns?
Just one.
It is up to you, right? I'm fetching all the column.
Okay.
Username, password, role. Boring. Name, comma email, comma gender, comma photo. Confused? From which table?
I think
You are.
user login, user profile table.
So I'm doing it, right? Where? Username equals
Username
to
is
question mark
and
and password equals to
question mark.
question mark. Hello. Huh? Now you can fire the query, you know. Like here, you know how to fire the query. You can use JDBC template, right? This bean. And there is a method, right? Query for object. Or query for give me sake. Or you can use
No, only query
give me.
since you are fetching. Okay.
Like here you can use query for map also. Query for map what does? It will give
It
you,
will,
you know, column
I
name
know.
and value, column name and value.
Yeah.
Right. And here you can pass the input, you know, username and password. Username password, you can instead of putting in the object, you can pass as a comma separated also. Hey, you got the syntax?
Mm-hmm.
Where this username will get set over here. This password will set over here, right? And query for map, you know what result will come? Username as a column, key, its value as a value, password as a key. You understand purpose of the map? You guys are not replying sometime. Key comma object. Nobody's replying. You guys understand this concept? Map?
No, could you explain that again? So, is username and password considered an object?
First of all, tell me, do you know map?
Yeah, you basically have key pair value.
Yeah. Map data. See, in this username is key, and whatever value will come from database, it will come as a value. Password will be key, you know, and whatever value will come for the password from database, it will go to the value. Role will be key, right? So in what is if data comes, what will the size of the map? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will have 7 keys and corresponding 7 values. You got the concept?
Oh, okay, I didn't know a map can have more than one key.
Yeah. This key is value. This key is value. So here, if its size is coming 0, means data is not there, I guess. Size 0 means data is not there. Then you can go to A. You guys are not replying sometime. Very bad.
You're not.
If size is greater than 0, then user is valid.
Yep.
So you can set this message. Right? I'm commenting it. Else. Yep. You can do like this. Else. Right? Hello. And like here, if size is greater than 0, I can send whole data in the on the GUI as a map. Allow me. What I'm doing? Request dot
Request dot.
map.
Mm-hmm.
Request dot set attribute. So
Right.
you are going to set your whole data, which is a hash map. Hash map is the value and data is the key. Got it? In both the cases, I'm coming where?
No, I don't get it. Could you wait? So when you set the data in the
Problem.
maps data, is that getting the?
You know, map is a collection. This collection I'm mapping with data. So the whole map you can retrieve on GSP file with the data attribute on this page, login.gsp page. What is that?
Yeah, so just getting all of the a map from or all of the SQL queries or the objects from SQL you got.
Yeah. Whole, you know what map contains? Username as a key, its value as a value, password as a key. So whole hash map you are adding into request scope so that you can retrieve on GSP. In this, there are many people. Nobody is saying yes or no. It means you guys are understanding it, right? So let's jump to the next thing. So here, whole hash map I added into the data, right? First of all, let's see it works or not, right? After that, this data I will retrieve it on GSP, login.gsp. So I'm trying. So I'm able to validate it from database. So what I should enter here? Jack and Jill is in database.
Mm.
Like here I'm running in debug mode. Debug here you can put some breakpoint. Double click. So breakpoint is here. After it, you can right click on the JSP and instead of run as, you can use debug as debug on server. The benefit of this way to run it, you can line by line see its execution. Fine. I'm just entering Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill is in database. Yeah, it is. Authenticate. I'm saying yes means I want to run in debug mode. Can you see this? Hello. My username is Jack and password is coming Jill from like here. You fire the query, right? You see the data here, my hero. The username is Jack, right?
Mm.
Password is Jill. Everything is coming as a key value pair,
Yep.
right? So map dot size is greater than 0. So you know you are adding your whole data into data, and you are coming to the login.jsp page. Got it? अब देखो on login.jsp page, where it is. So इसको ना you run it in external browser. You know external browser? Yeah. You type Jack Angel. Can you help me? Jack Angel. Oh, no? Authenticate. Hello, Mr. Sim. 2, right? You want to come to the login page. Can you see this? Yeah. I come back. Hey. Then you want to show, you know, if user is valid, I want to show his all the data over here. Allow me.
Okay.
What you want to show?
Name.
What you, everything you want to show over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to show everything, I need your help. Can I make a table over here if you allow me? You know table data structure in HTML? I hope Sharika has done table. No?
Yes, she did.
She did.
Okay. So here, where is my login.jsp file? I'm sorry, yaar, I opened many things. Let me close other thing first. Boring. How many editor I open? Wait a second. This is mine. Windows show view. Perspective. Open perspective. Java. करो यार. Max. It is, ना? Hey, you know if you want to make a table in Bootstrap, you see my Google style. Bootstrap table and use W3 school.
Okay.
Like here we have different style of table. I'm using this table. Try yourself. You know style. But here we have this code. You see?
Yeah.
You have to reply. This is the Bootstrap code.
Yep, I see it.
So I'm going to copy this. Allow me, you know? Table, na? Table to table. And this code I need to copy where, man?
I'm inside the login.
In login.jsp. Paste it. Paste it at the bottom. Na? Put HR. Hello. I copy whole code, right? Because Bootstrap already I have in my project. Na? You see how it looks like, man? Oh, it's running in debug mode. Like you have to do mastery in debugging, right? Like, can you see this?
Yeah.
Here you have to show what?
Jack, Jill.
You have to show all the attribute of
Name,
it.
email, photo, blah blah blah.
Yeah. I need your help. So here, the first, first you have to show username. Yeah. So here you can show the value, right? Then name. I'm just showing the hard code value, right? Nagendra. Email is. Yeah. Fair.
Photo.
After email we have role, and then one row. Na? Role. We have photo. We have gender, right?
Yep, gender.
Help me.
M.
This is the hard-coded value, right? Photo.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. But this value should na? Like here you see how GUI looks like. Clang clang. It's looking like this, right?
Yeah.
This table, if you want, you can decrease the width of the table. It is up to you. Style, width, you can make 60%, 70%, whatever you want to make, right? Of whole width of the screen. Can you see this? Yeah. But it's looking not nice. 90%. It's not looking nice. I know. Done. Okay. You want to show the actual name, right? Once you log in, Mr. Hero. Once you log in, you want to show the actual name. Got it?
Right.
So like here, what you need to do, my data is present where? You guys are not replying. Your data is present in the request scope in data.
Yeah, right there.
So this data is representing hash map, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you have to fetch the data from the hash map. How to do it, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So I'm going to Google JSPEL access data from map.
EL.
Yeah, I don't know the syntax, but phew. Honestly, I'm saying I don't know. Who will help me? Nobody will help you. No problem, no problem. Otherwise, I want to do with EL. I need to try. Otherwise, nah, data is in my data, right? Data. But the data is a hash map. Let me give a try, okay? I don't know it will work or not. But try though. ऐसे करेंगे. I'm trying, okay? My hash map is pointed by data. So here I'm trying this syntax, right? My data is in data, right? And key is name. So what you said? You said, hey, hash map. This is hash map. You know hash map? I told you, right?
Yeah.
Like this is the hash map, and this hash map you have mapped with data. So on the GUI, I say, hey, hash map. You give me name, right? The value which is mapped with name. Clear?
Don't you need to import the
Sorry, it should be username. All right.
don't you
And
need
this
to
is
import login controller?
no, nothing. You have to just mention this key, right? Which you put in the request scope. Can I try this much? Because I'm not sure it will work or not. Huh?
Yeah.
If it doesn't work, we can try something else. Where is my? Hey, what man? Jack Angel.
You should do admin and admin.
It's coming. You see? Jack, Nagendra, and oh my god, my syntax
It's
works.
working. Yeah. Nice.
It's working, right? Then like here, I will explain you what this is. Gender, a column name, right? And here you can write photo. Let me explain you again. Nah? Hello? Like here, when you enter username password, you know a syntax. It is fetching all the data, and column will become key, and its value will become value, right?
Right.
Then this you say, hey hash map, you are a data. Data is a hash map. Then when I come to the GUI, I would say, hey hash map, I want to fetch the value which key is name. I want to fetch value which key is email. That's it. Syntax. In this way, now you see, if you enter Jack and Jill, it will show you the data, right? Like it's coming, right?
If you do admin and pass, it should work too. Then.
Admin pass. Yeah, exactly. It is dynamic. JSP makes your page dynamic. You see all the admin data. Hello.
Yeah.
And if you enter wrong username password, data is not there. So it should show you blank, I guess. Oh, it's not working. Hello. It's not showing blank. Incorrect size, actual 0. You know, hey, where it is the giving error in the Java code. Where is coming? Here it's giving exception. If data is not coming, it will give you the exception. Right? So how you can handle it? Only God knows. I don't know. Actually, it is giving you exception. When it gives you the exception, the use case when data is not there. Data is not there in which case?
When the
username password is
wrong.
incorrect. So you can do exception handling. Already it has been taught you. The tree, try, catch. Like here, if it is going to this exception, it means user is not there. Got it? Oh, zero. So if it goes into the catch block, it means
Just put the else.
User is there.
else. Else we don't need it. Why? Else means catch. Data is not there, it will go to the catch. Got my point? A, what is logic? You fire the query, data is not there, it will go to the catch block. And in catch block, you are saying you are not my friend. Confused? I got it.
That
Or
makes
what you can do is that in order to in order to avoid the error, Mr. Friend, right? Done. Anybody have any query? No question at all. So let's try.
Did you run it?
I'm going to run it. Oh, you see, blank is coming.
Blank. Yeah. Okay. Oh, but then that messes up the table too.
Yeah. Like here, do you understand this code? If you fire the query, exception will come. If username password is not in database, right? So it will go in the catch block and you are setting this message. Hey, you are not my friend. You see? Hey, you are not my friend. Got it?
Yep.
So guys, now I'm giving you a chance to ask questions. Here, I delete it. I don't it. No? I just want to make it a little bit nice, so I can use some CSS using span. Span is basically used to highlight one line. The color I want to make red, and font weight I want to make it bold. Let me show you how it looks like. A username password is incorrect, right? You see? But if you enter admin and pass, what it will give you?
The correct.
Correct data. So guys, this is a very nice example. Here, let me show you one thing. Coming soon. Coming soon is your photo, right?
Yeah.
Allow me. It's looking like here, because of th, it is looking like this. Use td. In td, it will not show you bold. Can I use
Image source, and then when you're
image source, then it will show you the pic. You see my style?
So when you're saving the data, you would need to save it in
style
format.
height is ATPX. You see the magic? Hello. Here, you have to here set the photo location. You remember?
Yeah, it has to be /images/
So it will bring you the photo URL. Then it will show you the photo. Let me show you. What I mean to say is, here in database, if you allow me, you can go and copy the URL. You can save the image URL. What is it? You can go and take some photo, right? You know how to copy? Copy image address. Can you see this? This image address you can save in database. Hello. Here. It is writing coming soon. You see what I did? I copy the image address. You know how to copy image address? I'm saying, do you know how to copy image address? Nobody replying. It's not a big deal. Image to copy image address, you can right click on it, right? Or let's take icon. Sir, I'm telling you, if you're not replying, and you are not asking question, you are wasting your time. Fine. If you want to copy this URL, right click on this, copy image address. And this I can you have to be smart. I copy the image address, right? Done. You see the magic. Magic means, when you type Jack and Jill, here it will show you the image. You see?
Okay.
Because it is coming from, I save the image URL in database, and that URL I'm rendering over here. pass, it will show you different photo, right? Because we have two photo. This image, you can make it bigger. How? By changing the size.
Height a little bit.
Height, make 140, 50. So it will look little bit bigger. You see?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Hmm.
And at bottom, you can give some gap. Yeah, it's looking odd.
Yeah.
If you want to give some gap, you can use BR. BR means break line. So, you know, there would be some space, right? Done. You guys got the idea how the whole flow is working?
Yeah.
Entering my username, Jack Jal. If username password is correct, it is authenticated in database and bringing data back to this and showing it. Mhm.
Nagendra,
Next thing,
could you go back to the exception handling which you did for the password?
yeah, sure. Like here, no, here I'm telling you, my journey is very long. I have two options. Like, let me teach you first. Try catch, hero.
Mm-hmm.
Like here you are firing the query,
Yeah.
query formula.
Yeah.
So it will go and fire this, bring this all the values, right? So key, this become key, and its value will become value, right?
Yeah.
If data doesn't comes, it will throw the exception,
Hmm.
data access exception. Then these two line will not execute. If data is
Okay.
not coming, immediately your control will jump from here to catch. This two line will
Okay.
be skipped.
Hmm.
And in this way, in that case, you are not setting data and message. You are setting only this message. Here you are not
Hmm.
my friend, and coming back to the login. So when exception comes, nothing is going to be set into request scope as a data.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Exception comes, then your control will jump to the catch, and anything coming between catch block and the place where exception comes,
Hmm.
it will be skipped.
Skip. Okay.
Done.
Okay. Thank you.
I don't know. Next thing, what we need to make it, you have to make a this is my you have to make a sign up form, and you have to save data in database, right? So let me make the sign up form. After that, you will do it, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm coming to my login.jsp, and here I'm making sign up, right? And you can make here you can make it button, not reset button, and you can how to make hyperlink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
HREF.
H.
Href,
Yeah.
and when you click on the sign up button, all right, when you click on the sign up button, you can hit an action. Action is sign up. By which action you want to hit? Sign up. And this action, please mute yourself. This action, when you click on this sign up button, this action you can map in the controller. What? You want to map this, right? String, show sign up page. What
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing, get mapping, get, because by default when you click on hyperlink, it is get mapping. So you map the action over here, right? When somebody hit the sign up, you want to go to which page? G sign up.
Yeah.
You can give any name to it. G sign up means it will go to which JSP file?
Signup.jsp.
Yeah. Like when you hit this URL with get, action is this and get. So which page is going to be open? This.jsp. Got it?
.jsp.
So you are going to make this JSP. Hey, funda is clear to everybody?
Yeah.
You are just calling a action sign up, and sign up will open as G sign up. So here you have to make a JSP file. That's it. Hello. And in GSP file, I'm going to use a whole code of login.jsp. It's okay with you? And in this, I will remove all unnecessarily code, right? Table we don't want. Clear? Niche. I delete it. I don't want result also. I need to just make the sign up page. Got it? Hmm? This is part of my design, right? Sign up page. Hello, hero. And you can change the sign up user. Got it?
Yeah.
I created a new page, and how this page will open, you remember? Here, I just changed the button. When you click on
Yeah.
it, you know the flow? It
Mhm.
will hit your controller, sign up. When you click on it, it will navigate you to login controller. Here, right? Sign up.
Yeah.
And sign up will forward you to the gsignup.jsp. You click on it and see. You see? Sign up page, right? But here you have to increase more fields.
Right. Name, password.
I'm going to do that. But here you can change, instead of this, you have to make here sign up, right? Or nahi chahiye kuch. And you can go to the sign in, right? Opposite. And here you have to go to, I don't know, login.jsp. You can go to the JSP, okay? And this button will be submit. That's fine. The action will be sign up, sign up, right? Hey,
Yeah. Sign up.
and here you have to include more field, username, password, or way, right? Tell me. Email.
Name, gender.
Type email, name, email, name. Let's see how it looks like. I'm designing it. Hello, you see? Username, password, name, email. No?
Yep.
You have to take other field also. Somebody is saying gender.
Date of birth.
The gender, I want to take drop down. For drop down, you can use select. Select is used for drop down. We don't need type. And here you can take name. Name is gender. Right? And here you can take the option. Option is male. This is the HTML thing, right? Female and other.
Yep.
Female. Let's see how it looks like. Cling, cling. You see? If you want, you can decrease the size of it. Like you can make it 40. And this score, you can make it 70, 80. Email.
So do we need to create another table that matches
No,
with
no,
those
no, no.
fields?
Table already we have. We just designed the table, man. You have to push all these data in this. Username, password, role, name, email, gender, right?
Oh,
But you
okay.
have to you have to make a role also. Role admin. Role, and in last you have to make a field for enter the photo URL, right? Photo URL text. My form is ready.
Yeah.
Cling, cling, cling. It's ready, right? Yeah. There is less space. It's looking very odd. So what you can do is a photo all we can make it smaller. Photo Nigel. Let's remove it. I want to make it smaller. I did it. Yeah. Give me a sec. I don't know. I can put it somewhere. I don't know. Role. Designing is not your part, okay? You don't spend time on it. Not looking nice. Okay. Hello. People are with me?
Yes, sir.
You just
It's looking very odd. It's not looking odd. It's looking very odd. Just fine. Hey, what you need to do? You enter username, password, name, email, right? And when you click on the sign up button, all the data should be saved into.
Database.
The data.
database.
This is the next thing which you have to do. This is enough. And guys, you try. Like here, I don't know among this whole crowd who is understanding, who is not understanding, right? Recording is there, but
Yeah.
I'm telling you, tomorrow I will check it whether you guys are really understanding or not. Now I'm giving you a chance to ask questions and show your problems.
Again, I have a trouble with my web server. Need to practice
That
this.
that is another thing. I'll help you before leaving for the day. My question to you guys are, whatever I have talked about today, really you understand this coding part, this
Yes.
design part?
Yeah.
I'm not talking about few people. Like here, this part and this JDBC template, and here I have defined. So go through this code. Recording is there. Everything is there. Okay.
Again,
Have a
I
look into
cancelled
it.
yesterday.
Pardon?
Yesterday I was at work and I didn't get the recording from yesterday's
The
class.
recording I uploaded it. You can go and check it.
Oh, yesterday's recording?
Yeah, yesterday when I uploaded it, right? I don't know.
Not sure.
You go. There is day-wise recording, right? I think I put it over there. You see, day 7. This is the yesterday one. Today day 8. I'll make it over here.
Yeah, so to both of them.
This one is there. You can go and access it.
In WhatsApp?
And yeah, WhatsApp already shared the link, right? You have link of this, right? I'm not sharing on WhatsApp. Let me share on chat.
Okay. Because
Here, I don't want to share to everybody. Let me give you. I'm just giving the chat. Okay, you just copy it from here. Link. And guys, I'm going to put my code in day 8. Which code? Today's code.
Day 8.
Day 8. I share the link on chat. You can copy from there.
okay.
Okay.
And I'll upload the recording also in this.
All right. So I'll get to.
Okay.
So, like here, after that, I would like to solve your problems.
Okay.
The code is uploaded. Nobody can ask, right, where code is. In this recording, day 8. And your recording will also come soon. Thank you. This picture is really very nice. I don't know. I like it.
It's very good.
You like it or not? Because this is the visual representation of it. Okay. Then now you guys can show me your problems. If anybody have similar problem, please watch it and fix yourself. Who would like to show first?
Let me show. Mine is tough one.
Go ahead.
So every time I land, do you see my screen?
Yeah. Actually, what mistake you did? Your header is not closed. That's why it's showing yellow. And
What?
By the way, can you put the day 8 link up on the WhatsApp?
I thought I closed header here.
what link you're talking about?
Day 8.
I sent you on chat. Can you access the chat?
Yeah, it's in the chat. One of them.
There is chat. Hey,
So
give me the control.
my biggest problem is
You don't have any problem. Just
about
wait.
it.
Here,
My biggest problem is about talking.
regarding this class, don't share anything on WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, there is unnecessarily people. I need to remove them. Okay, I am not getting time actually. Here, you have header and header. No? So your header was not closing tag. That is the one thing. Second thing is you should always create your GSP in a small letter. Okay,
Okay.
make this practice from today. This
Okay.
is done. And here you can make it small. I think your code seems to be okay, right? Yeah. इसमें your action should be greet. I think you may have. So what you're trying to do? तू ना इसमें
So
you haven't make any
I'm trying
form and
to.
action.
Yeah, I just
So
want to
let me.
test if first if it works through.
मैं कर रहा हूँ इसको. I'm running it. Yeah? Can you go to the Eclipse? Where it is? Yeah. Just maximize it. Click on the details. Okay.
This
Click on
one.
the no. Show me the console error. I'll help you fix.
Okay. You see the console? Okay, hold on. Mm, You see the console?
You have to read. Can you go up?
In the beginning?
और ऊपर जाओ. Scroll down. You have to see the place where error is coming. Hello?
Uh-huh.
Give me the control. मेरे को. If error is coming, you have to read it. What's saying? You just scroll it. Like it's saying, I don't know, failed. Even I don't know what error is. You scroll it slowly. Failed to start. MBB nahi. You start to read the error, right? Somewhere it will tell you the exact reason. Can you see this? Solid mapping specify unknown solid name Joker dispatcher. Solid mapping specify, right? Yeah, something you have done in deployment descriptor wrong. Can you go to the deployment
Okay.
descriptor?
Is
Can you go to the deployment descriptor?
well, hold on a second. Let me close this.
ठीक है. तू एक second.
Uh-oh.
देख here what mistake you did.
Yes.
एक second. Solid Joker dispatcher. Solid name Joker. Everything seems to be fine to me. Dispatcher servlet.
It's not the same. Have you seen the Joker name on the test servlet name? Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Same thing is saying. In error is saying this name does not match with this. And I told you many times, don't type the thing. Can you go to the Eclipse?
Okay.
Can you go to the?
1 second. Also, I'm opening something different. Uh, well, here.
Not here. You can go to the web.xml file, right? Or you can run it. Now it should work. Can you run your GSP file again? Right click on that. It should work. Because problem was in deployment descriptor, you have given wrong name. That's why I'm saying don't type it. Copy paste. Because if you do copy paste, you will not do mistake of the spelling. Right?
Okay.
Where are your GSP? Huh?
Let me
Minimize
close
this. Add. Then it will come. You can minimize the console.
Okay. Let me close the console. Jenny.
No. It should work. Give me control. To the wait. W. Sometime what happened? Nice. I'm just cleaning all the project. It should work. Why it's not working? I think GSP is not found. Bad luck. It should work.
Super slow.
Surprise. Why it's not running? Hey, where did I make it? Where is my index.jsp? Oh, I make somewhere else.
You made in a long
Sorry.
in a long location.
I know. That's why. I mean, how many Tomcat you have? Nice. Like you just have only one configuration. This is also one of the cause of the error. You should not have this many, config. I'm going to delete it.
Okay.
Use Tomcat. Apply and close. None is too much. Trying. Ah, it's working. Hmm? You got it now?
Working now. Yeah.
Actually, you have many servers. Hmm? Done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Two.
Okay, who's the next? And go and watch my
Thank you
recordings
so much.
yesterday and today, and complete right everything.
Yeah.
Start from the
Now I
yesterday
can
one.
move.
Hmm.
Now I can move forward with my assignment. I was stuck
No
with this.
problem.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Who is the next? What's your name?
I remember someone in the chat saying they were having issues with the database. I don't know if they're still having that.
Sagar?
Was it Modest?
No, it was me. I was having a problem with the web server.